bye Dee. So we are on our way to the beach. A little morning sunlight. It is 9:52. Let's see what the traffic is like. I'm recording on the new iPhone 14. Settings are better. It's not blurry anymore. Hopefully it'll stay that way. And we are in a Honda van. Honda Odyssey. Very old. But perfect for us. It's been reliable for how many years? 3 years. 3 years in the same van. Took us to Minneapolis how many times? 2. 1 by myself and 1 with you. 2 with you, so 3 times. I love Honda. We were thinking of getting the Sienna. We need to have a Sienna because the stow and go seat. That was a good one. Yeah. The next upgrade would be a Sienna, right? Or a newer Honda Odyssey. Or Sienna. We like the Sienna better. Okay. Oh, the vapor next to us. Okay. Turning on to Highway 1, Dixie Highway, going towards Highway 95. I know it is in my head somewhere. Anybody know? Sahat. Dinsai is not, even though Dinsai means sand, it's not the beach. Or, oh now I remember. By Rim Tale. Rim is the shore, and Tale is sea, S-E-A, sea water, or big body of water. Or I thought Tale means ocean, but it's actually like big lake. So I'm just gonna say Sipay Rim Tale, which literally means go play in the water. I thought it meant ocean, but it's more like a big lake. But Tale's name is Lei, as in the Hawaiian Lei, L-E-I. And the Ta is like Ka with a T. And cha is from Kalina. Which sounds very Hawaiian. People always say that. So gas around here is $3.39. Not too bad. Goes up and down. Like $3.59. What's the cheapest that ever went? $2.99. Oh wow. I missed that one. The last one I got was $3.09. Around Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood area. Let's see if he looks back again. There you go. He looked back again. He rolled down the window and say hola. You get me too? The guy, the driver over there, he like just looked at him. So funny. He has his window open. Maybe you can see that. I am recording. Okay. I still have a morning voice. It's really going. I hear a story. When I was living in Minneapolis, I saw this orange car, right? So I was going down Lake Street, and I saw this really, to me, cool looking car. I think it was a Honda also, and it was orange, bright orange. So I rolled down my window. I was like, "Oh, I like your car," and yeah, we became friends. Yeah. Just friends, okay? Don't even go there. Yeah, but yeah, he took me to the Minnehaha Falls for the first time, and I was really happy that I discovered a fall, a waterfall in Minneapolis. So that became my hangout place where I would go and meditate and sit right close to the water and get the, negative ions, like we say. So yeah. I don't remember his name. Maybe Jose or something. He was Mexican. And he didn't know a lot of English either. But he was really nice. yin, a little bit yin. Oh my gosh, look at all the coconut trees and the shade. I need stuff from the trunk.
Mommy, you probably didn't know. We cut over the coconut, like that was like already cut, and we made it set so because we made it.
Okay, who dares to go into the water to see how cold it is? How cold is it? Very cold. Oh gosh. At least it's clear. Oh my gosh, okay. In. Okay, not too bad. Let's be a good citizen and pick up this trash. This doesn't belong in the ocean. Of course, there's a lot of trash. Okay. กอไก่ขอไข่คอควายงองัวจอจอกสอเสือซอสร้างยอยุงดอเด็กต่อตาทอทงทอทุงนอนกนอนกปอแบ้ปอปลาพอเพิ่งพอฝนพอภูพอไฟมอแมวยอยารอระคังลอลิงวอวีหอหานอโอหอเหือน Here's our little beach bum home away from home. There's aquarium. So from here we're gonna walk to get food. We're getting hungry. No, don't touch my arm. Just, you can do this side though. Oh, look at the corgi. That's the dog that Uncle has. Is this my first beach walk? No, I don't think so.
Beach what?
Yeah. So they accept that. No need for cash. Okay, so now I'm just gonna buy our stuff and wait for it. Look at the sunset going. What did you do to your brother? Are you comfortable in there?
Yeah. My hands are not comfortable.
Oh my gosh.
I can't get up.
You can't get out. Get out. The bugs are gonna eat you. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. The sun going down.
I'm a zombie. I'm a zombie.
Very nice.
I can't get up.
Wiggle some more.
My legs are not.
Pretty. I think yesterday was a little bit better. More orange. Maybe it's not time yet. This is Uncle's dog. Porky.
I want that dog.
He's just free to roam. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Have a good day.
Wait, how do you say goodbye to in Yao?
Lock on.
Back on.
And then put your hands together. Lock on.
Back